The 360 camera world is heating up, and right now, all eyes are on one device, the upcoming Insta360 X6. If you're a content creator, vlogger, or someone into action sports, chances are you've already heard the buzz. The leaks are promising something big: massive upgrades in video quality, better low-light performance, and smarter AI tools. But here's the real question. Should you buy a 360 camera now, or wait for the X6? Let's break it down. First, the leaks. The Insta360 X6 is rumored to bring 8K video that actually performs well in low light. That's a huge deal because low light has always been one of the biggest weaknesses of 360 cameras. Shooting at night, indoors, or in challenging lighting conditions often leads to grainy, unusable footage. But if these leaks are true, the X6 could finally solve that problem. And that alone makes it worth paying attention to. Then there's AI. 360 cameras are already known for their shoot first, frame later workflow. But the X6 is expected to take this even further with improved AI reframing, meaning the camera can automatically find the best angles, track subjects more accurately, and create ready-to-share clips with minimal effort. For creators, that's a game changer. Less time editing, more time creating. Now let's talk about timing. Multiple reports suggest an April 2026 launch, with a price expected somewhere between $549 and $599. That puts it right in line with previous flagship models, but with significantly better hardware. So yes, it sounds exciting. But here's where things get interesting. Because whenever a new model drops, the previous one gets cheaper. That means the Insta360 X5 is about to become a much better deal. And honestly, the X5 is still a very capable camera for most people. So if you're on a budget, waiting could actually give you two smart options. Either grab the newer X6 with all the latest features, or pick up the X5 at a discounted price and save some cash. Now let's talk about one more important upgrade: battery life. One of the biggest complaints with previous 360 cameras has been how quickly they drain, especially when shooting in high resolutions. The X6 is rumored to address this with improved efficiency and longer recording times. If that turns out to be true, it could make a huge difference for travelers, vloggers, and anyone shooting long sessions outdoors. So what should you do? If you need a camera right now, for a trip, a project, or content work, then the X5 is still a solid choice. But if you can wait just a little longer, the X6 might be worth it. Better low light performance, smarter AI, improved battery life. It's shaping up to be a meaningful upgrade, not just a minor refresh. And in tech, timing is everything. Sometimes the smartest move is simply waiting a few weeks. Because the next big thing is almost here.